this thing on? Yes, it's on. Certainly, this has been a very interesting year, to say the least. The pandemic has really changed forever the way we live. But at heart, I'm an optimist, and I want to believe that 2021 is going to be better. It's going to be a better year for all of us. So that's my hope for all of us, really. And the main reason I wanted to make this video is to thank you, my students, for always being there for me, for your support, for your hard work, for your reviews, ratings, and so forth. Okay, but seriously, I've been a full-time instructor for a few years now, all thanks to you, because you motivate me, you ask me to build online courses, you enroll in them, you ask questions, and you do all great things. So I'm very thankful to you for your support, because without you, I would not have been able to become an online teacher and create courses, online courses. So thank you. That's even overwhelming because it means so much to me. So really, thank you very much. My hope is that 2021 is better than 2020, and that you find what you're looking for, and that you grow professionally and personally as well. So again, thank you so much for all your support and for being always there. Thank you.